We take it for granted. The hum of your refrigerator, the glow of your phone, the silent heartbeat of a city that never sleeps. We assume the light will always be there, but that heartbeat is terrifyingly fragile. It happens in milliseconds. A single transmission line fails in winter. A relay trips, and suddenly, cascading failure. An entire continent goes dark. No internet, no water pumps, no modern life. The machine grinds to a halt. And here is the reality most people don't know. If the grid fails completely, the system is dead. You cannot restart a massive power plant with zero electricity. To restart the world, you need a secret spark, a classified protocol hidden in the darkest corners of our infrastructure, a ghost in the machine. This is the Black Start. But the spark is only the beginning. The real battle to save civilization starts in the shadows. Subscribe for Part 2, The Resurrection.